magandang buhay at mayamang pamumuhay in the future, mga kapatid. I would start with this quotation of President Trump. Every day is filled with defining moments, and the way that you lead your life daily is your choice. Kung choice mo na palagi ka lang manonood ng TV, nandoon ka sa YouTube na napaka-negatibo ang lahat ng mga attack sa mga people in power, people in politics, you're wasting time. Sabi ko nga sa inyo kahapon, nag-waste ako ng time ng 6 hours just, sana hindi yan ang ating kikinggan. Of course, you need to update yourself one time or another sa mga nangyayari sa sanlibutan. But if you want to succeed, do not be immersed by those negative thoughts in the internet. Unang elemento ay dapat mahal mo ang ginagawa mo. Kaya reinvented ka na. Totoo pala, ayaw din nila na sabihin na retired. So, I would call myself, I'm reinvented, and I don't want to just sit down here and wait for my pension and wait for the money returns of investments that I have. So, I am here blogging because I am trying to influence the future generation. Kaming mga baby boomer, born from 1946 to 1964, we are at a quandary kung tayo ay hindi nakapag-start ng tama sa ating buhay. Number 2 na highlight is health, wealth, and happiness. They overscored or underscored, emphasized the many benefits when you are healthy. Sabi nga ni President Trump, if you fail to be healthy, then you will lose your equilibrium kung wala ka sa tamang perspective to take care of your health. Kasi if you don't have a good health, kahit marami pa ang pera mo, maubos yan sa pagbibili ng mga gamot mo at pagpapagamot. So take care of your health. Sabi ko nga sa isang segment ko, si President Trump hindi nagsisigarilyo, hindi umiinom ng wine. He observes a very healthy living condition. Ngayon, may 10 in-identify na mga traits ang isang failure na tao. They are lazy, batugan, bad habits, maraming mga masasamang bisyo, walang edukasyon, walang eksperyensya, masama ang ugali, walang magandang impluensya sa mga kaibigan, lack of guidance ng parents or whoever na dapat nag-guide sa kanya, lack of focus, lack of determination, and lack of courage. Kung kulang ka sa edukasyon, palagi kang takot. But, ang hinighlight dito ni President Trump is that lahat tayo, pobre, mayaman na, may choices tayo. Whether you want to stop now with all the vices that you have, as I have said in my previous segments, ang mga kaibigan, hindi yan magbabantay sa atin kung tayo ay may sakit na. They are there when we have lots of money to spend for them. May kakilala po ako na kapwa manager ko. 5 po ang kanyang naging partners bukod sa asawa. The wife left for US kasi nurse. Kada isang babae ay may anak po siya at lahat po naging successful dahil ang pinipili naman niyang mga babae ay may mga trabaho din. Pero now that he is 65, ay wala na pong nagbabantay sa kanya. He hops from one friend to another, but no one is, hindi na siya pinapansin kay wala na siyang pera. So, you have that defining moment to overcome the great hardship and profound disadvantages that you have now. Kita nyo yung mukha ko na yan that was taken 4 years ago. So you can calculate ilang taon na ako ngayon. But hindi po yan Photoshop. Ano ang sikreto ko? Wala po akong masyadong cosmetics, but I really have serum, night and day serum to take care, and hindi po ako palaging nagme-makeup. I just use lipstick kung may occasion. I ensure, kasi po ang great grandparents ko hanggang sa father ko ay may mga aneurysm. Namamatay sila sa aneurysm, so I am really mindful of what I eat. Yun po ang highlight ni President Trump, that even if you are wealthy, if you are not mindful of your health and to take care of it, then you will just spend all your wealth, diba, sa pagpapaayos ng mga sakit mo. The number one gusto ko na character ni President Trump, even now as I watch him doing his sorties noong election sa Amerika, he does extra mile until 2 in the morning nung last day, nung November 5, alas 2 ng mga daling araw, pang-apat na rally niya. Kasi hindi sila kagaya ng Pilipinas. They are allowed to still campaign even on the last hour sa Pennsylvania. And truly, as of now, may 5.5 million over siyang landslide na votes kay Kamala Harris, which is the first time in the history of America na may ganitong votes na turnout. Lead yourself. Every day is filled with defining moments. Babalik-balikan ko to. Ako, I follow this na kahit ako'y reinvented na, I still, my biological clock still wakes me up at 4:30 in the morning, and then I drink water, I exercise, I sweat out morning and afternoon if I can. And then kagaya now, I am influencing. I am not focused on earning or whatever. I am trying to influence, kasi sabi ni President Donald Trump, dapat nagtiteach ka, yun ang hinihingi nila. If ako'y lumago, kung sino man ang nakabasa niyan at lumago, they require me that I also would influence and share the good things that I learned from this. On top of it all, ang pinakagusto ko sa lahat na sinabi ni President Trump is that there is no formula fit to anyone who would succeed. Entrepreneurship or pagiging negosyante maybe hindi para sa'yo, kagaya ng recommendation ni Robert Kiyosaki na mag-real estate business. Yung real estate broker po, hindi daw yun yan ang tamang real estate is like Camela Homes, bumibili ng properties, binibuild, and then build houses. Yun po ang tamang real estate business. So commitment that you are committed to be healthy, wealthy, and happy. Yun ang sabi. And when you are committed to leading yourself first, nag-uumpisa po sa inyo ang pag-lead. Hindi ka makakapag-lead sa pamilya mo kung ikaw ay walang disiplina sa sarili mo. Long-term success is a reflection of your education, life experience, personal character. Yun po. Nag-i-start po sa atin, I would always say like President Donald Trump, I am a cautious optimist and with a single purpose, with the intent of being aware of what is best for me. So alam nyo rin po kung anong best for you. Maging farmer ka, maging fisherman ka, pedicab driver ka, or asawa ka ng mga ito, nasa sa inyo po ang pagdesisyon kung anong area kayo ay lalago. I cannot put into you the things that you should do because yun ang gamit daw ng human mind, human spirit, imagination, faith in the future, that wealth will come from within you. Uulitin ko, ang pagiging mayaman ay nasa sayo at ikaw lang ang makakapagdesisyon. Now I close this book and I hope you were able to get kahit man lang 3 sa mga elements. I will make another segment of a true story, finally to sum up all the elements na kailangan sa isang taong gustong magtagumpay. With that, I bid you this saying, may the force of the universe be upon you. Ako po ay nagpapasalamat sa mga bumabalik at kung hindi nyo man ito mai-apply sa inyong sarili, sana mai-share nyo sa inyong anak or mga apo and whoever friend na pwede pang lumago. I love you all, whether you know me or not in person. Ang dami daw i-share ng aking mga previous na mga kasama. Sana makilala nyo ako through them. With all this, I want to close by saying everything is a possibility. I did it. I also succeeded in life, and I believe in all the dreams and goals na itinalaga ko sa aking buhay ay nagkatotoo dahil I aspired na talagang mangyari yun sa buhay ko. Thank you, and let us watch for the last time a beautiful success story of the person that I will be sharing to you. Amen.